Hello children, welcome to Story Time with Miss Nidhi. Today we are going to peep into Roja's schedule. You know what is happening today? Roja's mother is leaving for work early in the day and she promises to be back by bedtime. What will Roja do all day without Amma? Let's find out in our today's story. And the title of today's story is When Will Amma Be Back? Written by Pratibha Swaminathan, illustrated by Alankrita Ammaya, and published by Rathambo. So let's not waste our time and get started with today's story. When will Amma be back? Roja is sad. Amma is going to work. I will be back before bedtime, Kannamma, says Amma. But at what time? Asks Roja. At exactly 9 o'clock tonight, replies Amma. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I want Amma to give me milk, not you, says Roja to Appa. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's buy potatoes, Thatta, says Roja. Oh, but we had potatoes just yesterday. How about brinjal today? Thatta asks. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. Party! Let's eat. Thatta is making papadam. Roja yells. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Honk, honk. Roja's Akka is back from school. Pati says, I will go to school with you after this summer. Won't that be fun, Akka? Says Roja excitedly. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's time to go home, Roja. Let's go home. Akka calls out. Just one last minute, shouts Roja. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. Selvi, eat your dosai quickly. Only then will you become big and strong, says Roja. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 7 o'clock at night. And so, when the cap seller threw down his cap, the monkeys threw their caps down too. Amma! Roja shouts. What did you do all day, Roja? Amma asks. Tick tock, tick tock. It is almost 9 o'clock at night. I had a lot of fun today, Amma. Appa fed me breakfast. I bought brinjal with Thatta. He made papadam for lunch. I picked up Akka from the school van. I played in the park. I fed Selvi dinner. Appa told me a story. And now you are back, Roja says with a very wide smile. Tick tock, tick tock. It is 9 o'clock at night. So children, that was Roja's day today. And did you notice that she did everything at a specific time? Let's do one thing now. We will observe Roja's day once more. But this time, we all need to focus on the time and the activity both. That at what time, what activity she did. And I also have something really fun for all of you to do as well. So let's see. Here are some things that Roja does at different times of the day. What did you do at the same time yesterday? So what you need to do is draw pictures of yourself doing these different things on a piece of paper. Then later take help of an adult. Take picture of your pictures. Click with a phone or a camera and post it on any social media platform. But do not forget to hashtag MyMotherhoodStudio. I will be waiting eagerly to see all your pictures. Now let's see what you need to draw. So Roja ate breakfast at 8 o'clock every day. What did you do at 8 o'clock yesterday? Another thing what Roja did was she went shopping at 10 o'clock. What did you do at 10 o'clock yesterday? Come on, think. Recall, note it down and draw the pictures. Roja ate lunch at 1 o'clock. What did you do at 1 o'clock yesterday? Then later, Roja picked up her akka from the school van at 3 o'clock. What did you do at 3 o'clock yesterday? After that, Roja played in the park at 5 o'clock. What did you do at 5 o'clock yesterday? You really have to think hard and put it down together. Roja fed Selvi at 7 o'clock. What did you do at 7 o'clock yesterday? So come on, get a sheet of paper and a pencil and get going. Note down your answers and then one by one you can draw all the lovely pictures and even color them. And do not forget to share it with Nidhi Auntie. I'll be waiting to see all your work and wonderful work. I want you all to learn how to observe and read time every day. Alright, so I am done for today's story. I will be back again with another wonderful story for all of you. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications for all the new story uploads. I will take your leave now and will see you all again very soon. Tata, bye bye, see you.